Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how I got my hair like this. This is actually a V/U-part unit from UNice Hair. They sent me a 24-inch unit and this is what it looks like. This is what it's giving. I love the curls. Like, I love that this hair keeps a curl really well, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to install it, and then I'm gonna show you how I blend my leave out in with this unit from UNice. And if you'd like to see that, keep watching. But before I go, the links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from UNice. Super duper affordable. Don't forget to check it out, and let's jump into the tutorial.
Stallion, it ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50 all the way, split it. Put a racks up and spit it back. Let a match, get lit it back. The jets up, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. All the eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50 all the way, split it. Put a racks up and spit it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jets up, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Stay flexing on me, yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way. I've been a Lambo, I'm on my way. True house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm elated that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Something honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So I have to redo hair because this side, even with wigs, is like my good side. This side, with no wigs and stuff like that, it takes me a few tries and a few flicks of the wrist to finesse this side of my hair. So I'm just gonna go over in two sections with my curler just to make sure I get like the best possible results. So pray for me because I'm gonna need it. I like it. Both sides are like even enough for me, so I'm gonna just spray it. I was using Kenra working spray, so I'm gonna just layer my two hairsprays, the working spray and the extreme hairspray. The working spray is in the number 14, the hairspray is in the number 25. Then we're topping it off with the volume hairspray. And so this is it. This is the finished look. I know this video was really short, really easy and simple, but girl, it's a V-part unit from UNice, so there is no complaints. Like, who likes to take forever to get their hair done? No one? Okay, cool. So I'm so happy that they started doing these units, because it's so easy to just do this and rush out the door. Even if you are not ready for the day, it can always, no, even if you just go ahead and pre-curl your unit before, like in the night, that would be so perfect. So in the morning, all you have to do is just put it on, curl your leave out, do a little finishing touches, spray up your hairspray. Your hair is not going nowhere, you're out the door. So I'm loving this unit, this V-part invisible part unit from UNice hair. Amazing. It's in 24 inches, and I did just go ahead and dip it in a bit of black dye just to blend in well with my actual hair, because my hair is not 1V, it's definitely giving black. So I'm loving it, so here for it. The links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from UNice. And without further ado, I will see you lovely ladies in my next one. Bye bye.